Greetings. My name is Olivia Staples. I am a junior psychology major, economics and Spanish double minor on the pre-law track from Huntington, West Virginia. And today I will be presenting my research proposal for a study examining the efficacy of treatment options for ADHD. Specifically, the following research question will be addressed. Is physical play combined with play therapy the best treatment option to change brain activation patterns associated with and symptoms of ADHD? Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, also known as ADHD, is the most prevalent behavioral disorder among children, affecting 4 to 5% of grade school children. This disorder causes symptoms of inattention and hyperactivity. Scientists believe ADHD is the result of abnormalities in the prefrontal cortex. This is largely based on the fact that symptoms of ADHD resemble those of damage to this region. Furthermore, the prefrontal cortex is the location of working memory, which is responsible for the very functions and behaviors that are affected by ADHD. Research indicates that the exact abnormality in this region involves dopamine transporters. This is supported by the fact that methylphenidate, a drug that inhibits the reuptake of dopamine, is an effective treatment of ADHD symptoms. This drug is just one approach to treating this disorder. Behavioral therapies such as educational intervention and social skills training are also validated treatments. In a number of studies, researchers Panskap, Ray, Scottlecorp, and Tsai concluded that play therapy shows promise as an effective treatment as well. Typically, however, combined treatment methods are most successful because ADHD affects various areas of functioning. Based on this information, I hypothesize that the dopamine activity in the prefrontal cortex of children with ADHD who have undergone combined therapy will more closely resemble that of their healthy controls than the children with ADHD who have undergone medication treatment, family counseling, or play therapy alone. I also hypothesize that the ADHD symptoms of the children who underwent combined therapy will decrease more than those who underwent the other treatment option groups. To examine this hypothesis, I will be conducting a study on a sample of 200 elementary school students. Teachers from 5 elementary schools will obtain informed consent from parents of potential participants. Observing the students with permission to participate, teachers will complete the Connor Teaching Rating Scale, a measure of ADHD symptoms to identify students who display symptoms of ADHD. The children who do will be evaluated by psychologists using the ADHD diagnostic interview schedule for children. Once diagnosed, we will gather 100 students with ADHD and 100 without to participate in the study. The 100 students with ADHD will be randomly assigned into one of 4 treatment conditions: physical play therapy, family counseling, both combined, and medication. The details of each condition can be seen in the chart on the screen. Before, after, and once a month during the study, each of the 200 participants will be evaluated for their symptoms and dopamine activity. Dopamine transporter levels will be measured via 11C-altropain positron emission tomography, or PET imaging. In the lab, the participants will be injected with 11C-altropain, a radioligand that binds with dopamine transporters, making them visible to a PET scan machine. They will then be placed in our CTI 931 PET machine and instructed to remain still for about 40 minutes while a series of images of their brain activity are recorded. This machine will measure dopamine transporter binding potential. ADHD symptoms will be measured using the Connors Teacher Rating Scale, revised short form. This measure is made up of 28 questions with ratings on a 4-point frequency scale. The CTRS includes oppositional, cognitive problems / inattention, hyperactivity, and an ADHD index subscale. The teachers will complete this measure while observing the students during class time. In conclusion, the findings of this study will provide further insight into how to best treat ADHD in children. Many treatment methods are used for ADHD, However, there is no definitive solution still on the best treatment for this disorder. This is just one study that will assist in eventually reaching this goal. Thank you for watching.